Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to add font in Wix. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. To add font on your Wix website, you can simply just click on a specific section that you have or click on a text box, and then you can just click on edit text. Or you can even go to add elements and go to text, and then here you will be able to choose on the titles. For example, you can choose whatever text style or font you'd like, and if you want to edit that, you just click on edit text, and then here under fonts you can simply just click on the drop down icon, and then you will be able to change the font style. You can also change the font size. You can even have it bold, italicized, or have it underlined. And this is where you can change as well the font color. Just click the A with a drop icon, and that's where you will be able to change the color of the text. Another option here is that you can have the font with a highlight or a background color, and you can even add a link. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to add a font here on Wix. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.